today I am teacher and I will be your teacher.
It's a story time!
Yes, yes, yes.
Before that, I will sing a song. It is a story time, come here now. I will tell a story, listen now. The Responsible Boy. There was once a boy named Ben. He lived with his parents. One day, his mother asked him to look after his baby sister. He put the milk formula in a bottle and handed it to her. When his sister slept, he made the bed, swept the floor with a broom, picked up the bottles, and threw the garbage inside the trash bin. While waiting for his sister to wake up, he got his book inside his bag. He read stories about a bear, bird, bee, and butterfly. During his free time, he rode on his bike and played basketball with his friends. When the church bell rang, they hurried home and helped their parents do some household chores. Sometimes, Ben helped his mother bake some delicious bread, put the bread in a basket, and share it with his best friend. Moral lessons. Be responsible all the time. Always take the initiative to help. Be generous. Children, did you enjoy listening to the story?
Yes,
Based on the story, we have here some objects and animals that start with a B sound. Baby, B, B, baby. Bottle, B, B, bottle. Bed, B, B, bed. Broom, B, B, broom. Ben, B, B, ben. Bag, B, B, bag. Book, B, B, book. Ball, B, B, ball. Bear, B, B, bear. Bird, B, B, bird. Butterfly, B, B, butterfly. Bee, B, B, bee. Bell, B, B, bell. Basket, B, B, basket. Bread, B, B, bread. Children, what is the initial sound of the objects I showed you?
B, B, B.
Very good, children. Kindly give me example of words that start with a B sound.
Ben, baby, bottle, bed.
Fantastic. How about name of animals that start with a B sound?
Bear, bird, bee, butterfly.
Excellent. What is the initial sound of the word basket, bread, and best friend?
B, B, B.
Very good, children.